Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Life with Felix Hlophe. Now guys, I thoroughly enjoyed this latest episode because it was so family orientated, something that is very rare to see with Felix, you guys. So we know what uTingo is having umhlonyane wakhe, you guys. It was so beautiful. So we see at the beginning of the episode uTingo and abangani bakhe, angazi ukuthi abangani bakhe or they bring in other girls as well, but I guess amachichi as well. They get to isolate themselves, guys, for a week, and every day of that week an elder woman comes to them and gives them words of wisdom, advice on how to carry themselves ekhaya, how to carry themselves emgwaqweni, and etc. Guys, one thing I must say, ukuthi the Zulu culture, or let me not just say the Zulu culture, is seen to as a whole is beautiful, guys, especially when we take those, those teachings that actually mean something and actually can grow us. Because I feel bandla these days, the way siziphathisa ngakhona as women, I just feel like everyone should have umhlonyana, virgin or not. We need to go back to the drawing board because people don't know how to behave out here in the streets. But Felix seems so proud of his daughter, you guys, uTingo and uTracy. They were so proud of uTingo, guys. uTingo was so beautiful, you guys. That's the beauty, guys. Just seeing the joy in your parents' eyes at such functions. So come the day of uTingo's actual event, we see uTracy, she is driving with her cousin, uPrecious, no mawake. They are driving to uTingo's event. So uTracy breaks it down to them or tells them about the decision that she has made pertaining her father wanting to do umcimbi for her. uTracy says ukuthi she is going to respectfully decline what her father wants to do for her, and she's going to choose to have her traditional wedding la akhule khona, you guys. I don't know. I guess for me personally, I would have made that decision as well. Because coming to think about it, guys, ubaba Tracy, he has many kids. And he did say to uTracy ukuthi he has to do umcimbi for all of these kids. So all of a sudden, recordwa ilokuzana reality show kaTracy and her husband. Why would he want to skip all of his other children and want to do a umsebenzi for uTracy? So for me, it's just giving vibes ukuthi ubaba wakhe uthanda ukubukwa kahle kahle, ufuna ukubukwa, and he wants to see me as if yena he's a good father or whatnot. Because I still don't get it ukuthi what makes him skip all the other children and want to do umsebenzi for uTracy. But anyway, uTracy says she's going to respectfully decline it and she's going to just do her traditional wedding la akhule khona. Now I don't know how uFelix is going to take it, because remember, uFelix ungumuntu wesintu, and ngesintu you don't do things according to how you feel. You do things according to what is right at the moment. And ngesintu, what is right at the moment is just to allow your father to do what he needs to do, so that izinto zakho zizohamba kahle. But anyway, uTracy is a Jehovah's Witness, so they don't believe in ancestors, so that is what it is. So anyway, guys, ngempela umcimbi, everything is going well. Guys, the decor was so beautiful. Yutsue ukuthi umshado. Ayike niyabazi ke abantu abadala. One thing about abantu abadala, why ninje? Why ngemcimbi yengane? Nina, instead of bringing amakhekhe, ama-queen cake, ama-cold drink, ayi, uthwala utshwala. Even if you can go to a birthday party, guys, elokishini of a 1-year-old, uzobona ukuthi it's most there's an alcohol section. I'm just like, why abantu abadala benje? Why nina zenzela umcimbi wenu or just chill us on the side? When it's children's function, guys, can we just see appropriate drinks? Anyway, guys, we see a moment that uTingo and her mother has. So as uTingo is preparing to dress up in a traditional attire, her mother comes in and her mother tells her of how proud she is. uTingo obviously cries because that was so touching. But one thing I do want to say about uTingo's mother, guys, I feel like so many baby mamas can learn from uTingo's mother. You know, the reason why many baby mamas are not welcome in other families, indlela abaziphatha ngayo. wena ufuna ukufika emzini abantu and act as if wena uFelix because you have a history with him. Utingo's mother, guys, the way she is so respectful, guys, I feel like that's the reason why Tracy doesn't even mind having Utingo's mother around. Because akanayo leyo nto yokuthi mina ngize ngokuthi mina nami I have a history with uFelix. No, uzembo kuhlonipha and uzele ingane yakhe. I love that so much. The aura that she carries, guys, is so beautiful, and it feels like, or it seems like, she's passed it on to Utingo, because Utingo herself, guys, the way amhlonipha ngakhona uTracy, that aura that Utingo carries, guys, is so beautiful. She was so beautiful on her day, you guys. Kudos and big ups to Utingo, guys. Was pata kahle up until this age. I get one Umcimbi is going well, everything is going well. uFelix niyamazi ke, guys. He then says in his diary station, which we are kumbula, the last time benomcimbi la in his yard, uTracy beno Ayanda bebezwana. So he decides to video call Ayanda and tells Ayanda ukuthi yazi you were supposed to be here emagcekeni akithi uphithizela, last time when noTracy benizwana. So I'm really hoping ukuthi you guys can go back to that type of situation and that type of love that you guys had for one another. Ayanda does say ukuthi hey mina ngisemsebenzini, and uFelix says okay, but when you are done emsebenzini you should come over the side. I'm just like, I really hope ukuthi Ayanda doesn't follow that advice or doesn't follow what uFelix is saying, because I mean uFelix has been so inconsiderate, guys. He knows ukuthi uTracy akasamfuni Ayanda, so why would he still tell Ayanda to come emcimbini? Why would he want to even mosha umcimbi kaTingo nje kanjalo just because yena ufuna uzibonela uAyanda wakhe? Guys, I've been saying this. I just feel like uFelix uyazifela bandle ngeyellow bone yakhe, uyazifela ngoAyanda, because I'm just like, he could have just kept this moment in his head and just thought about, the good old times. But for him to even call Ayanda and even invite her over, knowing that uTracy is not okay with Ayanda, yeah, guys. But yeah, guys, in a nutshell, that was the episode, the latest episode of Life with Felix Hlophe. It was all about umhlonyana kaTingo, guys. One thing I must say about Felix Hlophe, guys, he has a beautiful family. He's got a beautiful wife. He's got beautiful kids. Angmazi ukuthi why as Patisa where angmazi ukuthi why as Pataganje, whereas he's got. Man, he's got the world in his hands with such a beautiful family. He can just go so far, guys, if you could just, focus on what he has and stop, highlighting for things ezingaphandle. But anyway, guys, it was really cute seeing him being a family man for a change and just enjoying the presence of his family without being mischievous, except for that phone call Gega Ayand. But anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.